Your lawnmower has two rear wheels. The rear wheels are much larger than the front wheels, which makes the mower easy to turn. The wheel consists of the plastic wheel, the tire, and a metal bushing. Over time, the bushing will wear out, and the tire tread will wear away. The plastic wheel can be cracked if it is hit against something or something hits it. Replacing the wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear wheel from the lawnmower. I'll use a piece of 2x4 to prop up the rear wheel. And I'll use an impact wrench to remove the shoulder bolt. I want to be careful that I don't lose the washer. Now I can install the new wheel. I'll remove the shoulder bolt from the old wheel and transfer it over to the new. I'll place the washer over the bolt, and now I can thread the shoulder bolt onto the pivot bracket. And I'll secure it with the impact wrench. And that's how you can install a new wheel assembly on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.